assembly of the light pole works in a similar manner. You take the body and the end piece, put the two together, put them in between the clamp till you get it snugged up, and then gently twist the clamp to run it together. Open your clamp up a little bit. When you do the light pull, you have to take one of the caps off. Take the bead end, slip it through the hole, and then take your end piece and reattach it. You have to be careful when you're doing this end. Set it up in location, but as you press, as you put it together, be sure you're not pressing on the chain, that you're just pressing on the top. And then gently, you can see here where the chain is out away from the body. If you were to press on the chain, you'd break it. And again, you just swing, and you have the light pole.